Good morning and Jai Hind. In this video, we are going to discuss one numerical on partnership. So let us read the question. On March 31st, 2014, the balances in a capital account of Aline, Monu and Ahmed after making adjustments for profits and drawings were 1,60,000, 1,20,000 and 80,000 respectively. Subsequently, it was discovered that the interest on capital and drawings had been omitted. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2014 was 40,000. During the year, Aline and Monu each withdraw a total sum of 24,000 in equal installments in the beginning of each month, and Ahmed withdraw a total sum of 48,000 in equal installment at the end of each month. The interest on drawing was to be charged at 5% per annum and interest on capital was to be allowed at 10% per annum. The profit sharing ratio among the partners is 2:1:1. Showing your working note clearly, pass the journal necessary rectifying entry. So, comes directly towards the working notes where we need to calculate the opening capital. For that, first we have to write the closing capital of all the partners, that is 1,60,000 for Aline, 1,20,000 of Monu and 80,000 for Ahmed. In that we have to subtract the profit. We have already in question it is given that profit is 40,000 and the profit sharing ratio is 2:1:1. That's why the profit that is to be the share of Aline is 20,000, Monu is 10,000 and Ahmed for 10,000. In that we have to add the drawings. It is given in a question that 24,000 has been withdrawn by Aline and Monu and 40,000 has been withdrawn by Ahmed. So after making all the adjustments, the opening capital of all the partners is 1,64,000 of Aline, 1,34,000 of Monu and 1,18,000 of Ahmed. So after finding the opening capital, next thing which we have to make is the adjustment table. In that, first we have to write the interest on capital. That could be calculated by applying 10% interest on the capital of all the partners. That means 10% on 1,64,000, 1,34,000, 1,18,000, and we got the interest on capital that is written here. Now, after writing interest on capital, we have to write interest on drawings. As we know that Aline and Monu had withdrawn the amount in the beginning of each month, and Ahmed had withdrawn the amount at the end of each month. So, in case of Aline and Monu, the year which we have to take would be 6.5, while in case of Ahmed it becomes 5.5. So by applying the formula, that is for Aline we have to multiply 24,000 by 5 by 100 as a percentage and 6.5 upon 12 as a year time period, average time period. So our answer comes to be 6,650 rupees. Similarly, for Monu and Ahmed, it comes to be 650 and 1,100 rupees. So after writing interest on drawings, we have to write the profit that is already been distributed. That means the profit of 40,000 which has been distributed in the ratio of 2:1:1, that is 20,000, 10,000, 10,000 is to be written here, and which is a debit balance. And after writing this, we have to write the profit which needs to be distributed among the partners, that is 400, 200 and 200 rupees, which is a credit balance. So after making all the adjustments for each partner separately, the final amount that comes for Aline is 3,850 debit balance, For Monu, it comes to be 2,950 credit balance, and for Ahmed, it is 900 credit balance. So let us make the journal entry. On 31st March 2014, Aline Capital account has to be debited by 3,850 rupees, while Monu and Ahmed account has to be credited by 2,950 and 900 rupees respectively.